Yeah, so we just went grocery shopping. $500 worth of groceries.
Stop the cap.
I'm playing. It's like,
It was like
300?
it was like
300? Something like that. 350, something like that. You know what I'm saying? So, but I made dinner. You know what I'm saying? Breakfast too in the
Chef
morning.
Bird in the kitchen
You know what I'm
today.
saying? Some daiquiri. You know what I'm saying? Lady over there.
Yeah.
Leticia. Lemos. And Rashawn. Plumber. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, Chef Bird in the kitchen today. Chef Bird in the kitchen
Don't play
today,
this.
guys.
You know what I'm saying, guy?
Very
As
excited.
today
What are we making?
we're making jerk barbecue chicken, and I'm the chef today. And you guys gonna see. Come look at the chickens. You guys can see. You gotta make sure to always wash your chicken. You know what I mean?
Teach him, bro. Teach him.
But this is
Vinegar.
white vinegar right here. You guys can see. You know what I mean? Add a little of that. Not a little, but a lot. You know what I mean? But make sure to put that on. Just make sure you wash your hands too. Always wash your hands. I already washed my hands.
Yeah, you already did that stuff, right?
Wash the chicken. That's all it is. You wash the chicken.
Leave the chicken all over.
We're gonna show you when I start seasoning and stuff. Put the seasoning on it. Then you're gonna see how it is, bro. For now, I'm just gonna wash the chicken.
And clean the chicken. All right. So we'll check back in a moment.
Come back in a little bit.
All right.
Alright?
So, no, bro's chefing it up. But now we got a co-chef. Introduce yourself.
I'm Grace, making broccoli.
Don't play with her. Don't play with her. You know what I'm saying?
Turkey knife, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Put that little
okay,
more.
okay.
Alright.
I mean,
Stop playing, bro. Stop. Yo.
man.
Yeah, I'm gonna put his number on the screen if you wanna hire him.
Yeah.
You gotta pay me first though.
Private chef.
You know what I'm saying? Private chef, bro's cooking it up. You know what I'm saying? He's not the one
So-
to play with.
The thing is, though, now we can't put everything in that one.
Right.
Try like make two, cause
Yeah,
you feel like
no.
you gonna cook.
I feel that. Yeah, I got it.
So
Yeah.
I wanna.
You know what I'm saying?
This is a nice place cover.
So what you said, dude, bro? We missed a step.
I put barbecue on chicken, bro.
Okay, okay. So it's going. It's cooking right now, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put barbecue again.
Okay. This is my drink, right? Yeah, I messed up, but
She better than me.
hey, Grace, tell us what you did. So you made some juice there.
Strawberry daiquiris.
Okay. Wait, you want to tell them the ingredients or a secret?
What is it? Frozen strawberries.
Okay,
Rum,
okay.
Whatever that is. Strawberry daiquiri mix.
You know what I
Simple syrup.
mean? Simple. Okay.
Yo,
What you made, Rodine?
are this?
What?
Wait.
Uh-huh.
I made the vegetables, the chicken.
No, bro. You did-
We have to.
what are you making, lady?
I cut the watermelon and I'm supposed to make rice. I just have to wait.
Yeah.
Okay, she's making some rice. Stop playing with lady.
Wasn't
Big
it
chef.
Oh, we had another
Was
one.
it
Oh,
fire with
yeah.
vodka?
You know what I made?
So,
Nothing. Nothing. You know what I'm saying?
At least he was honest.
That's you're being
We have
handsome,
some,
you
but
feel
that's
me?
what it's usually about.
What time?
She
What
fine.
time is it?
I don't know.
Like 9 something.
Yeah, what time is it?
So here we go.
What is the daiquiri?
Grace
I'm gonna
making
sip
more,
the rest of
right?
this in there.
Yeah, Grace, you know.
I know, like that is a
Who's
decent
she making
amount
more
of
for
that.
though?
I thought this was glass.
Yeah, who's she making
Uh-huh.
more
You
for?
know what I'm saying?
Everybody, whoever wants it.
Yeah,
Just
I
a
want
little
some
bit of
more.
that.
No
You want
worries.
more? I'll have to
make it
make.
sweeter.
Yeah.
I mix
Oh,
simple
the
syrup.
First batch.
I mix simple syrup into you guys's, but
Oh, because I was
not-
like, mine was
I think
sweet.
it's because the strawberries are like a little more sour.
Oh, okay.
So that's how I got no chef.
Chicken night. I ain't playing so
Wings active.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. I mean,
Make sure you put some more barbecue sauce.
That's more.
Yeah.
Probably this is the last coat, isn't
The
it?
last coat. And we don't talk about no judge, you know. Yeah, when we say we are coat, we don't talk about no judge, isn't it? We are coat the chicken, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
That is it.
Last coat until you're ready.
Ready?
It was.
I'm saying, bro's not playing. You know what I mean?
No joke.
No jokes. A man like me already and just sit down and be handsome and drink.
Suddenly, somebody with TSS and same thing.
That man I say. We are Chef Ramsay, you know. You know what I'm saying? We know if we cook already, so we have to see what we upcomings and what deal, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, coming. Chicken, I don't.
Chicken look bad though.
Hmm?
Chicken look bad.
I'm gonna teach him. He must bad. I'm gonna teach him.
No, I'm out in my water over there.
Okay, beside me.
So, what time's the chicken gonna be done?
Man.
Okay, just asking.
I can go out sinners and keep with mine off
I
of
put the
chicken.
veggies in. Does that see if that one flips to the side? Oh, but that pan won't. Never mind.
That is it. And I shall learn food, make gonna see what I
Oh,
want.
like,
Oh, yeah. Now see the food when it's ready. You know what I mean?
How long do the vegetables
Just
take?
stay patient, alright?
Yeah, we can
Right now
put
it's
the
10:30.
the chickens down and see. The
Yeah.
veggies, I feel like
Drink some daiquiri,
How long do you
cooking up, you know what I'm saying? Just chill vibe. Feel me?
Sure. The chicken.
So what you got going on, bro? I see you putting some peppers on there and
Yep.
stuff.
You gotta make sure I put the peppers on there, then I'll put it back in the oven.
Okay.
Cook down a little bit, and we're all good, bro.
Okay. I see you lady cooking some. Okay, lady, come explain this rice to us. This rice is different, okay?
Oh, I need to mix it.
Explain this rice to us, lady.
So you cook
Brazilian
with
rice.
it, yeah, the olive,
It's different,
Oil.
but that's fire.
and then you do cook the garlic a little bit until it's like brown.
Kenja!
Focus up, lady. Come on.
They're being loud.
Come on, you gotta give us
the
the
rice
step.
a little bit,
Yeah.
and then you put some water. I think it's trying to be done. Thanks. Be done pretty soon, so we can eat. Because we've only been waiting like what, 2 hours?
Yeah, we've been waiting like 5 hours because we gotta drive and we're hungry. We gotta get some chips. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get some chips and.
Bro, we haven't eaten since like 11 o'clock.
Shit.
You know what I'm
Ready
saying?
for this shit, bro.
So we about to get some food, eat, watch a movie, and you know, I don't know what we're doing after. Maybe play some games. They were saying that, but you know, they might get tired because already 10:30, 11.
There I go. I rope you eat, bro.
So they're drinking juice, Baccarat juice. It's juice. Bacardi, my bad.
Imagine, cousin.
My bad. Because, you know, a tree sweet. I think I'm a carrot, you know what I'm saying?
Baccarat. What do you know?
But yeah, Grace got us right with the juice, man. And we just warming up. We just warming up, lady.
Is a plate?
Yeah. Oh.
Guys, look, I'm gonna show you. Rum head. I'm gonna show you all the rum heads, right? Rum head,
Remind you, he's
Rumid.
drinking the same thing I'm drinking.
rum head, rum head. He's working in. He's breaking his way in.
And what are you, bro?
Right.
I'm the sober one.
That's how you know he's not.
I don't do what they do. Yes.
Where is it? Oh, over there.
Yeah.
Is it gonna burn that?
Hey guys, I'm gonna show you.
Like a grate, because I make cookies.
Guys, I'm gonna show you, right? I'm gonna show you how talented I am. I put together a Jamaican chef.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying? That's what he did. A Brazilian chef. She cooking the rice. Smells good. And Grace, come show them the asparagus.
Oh yeah.
Grace cooking the asparagus. Are you cooking?
Yeah.
No, but I could share, you know.
Oregano, lettuce,
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Made 3. Damn, shit up. Damn, look at the camera. Jeez. There's a lot of chicken, so
A lot, man.
it's fine, man.
Yeah.
Then
Just know
you see Grace asparagus in a minute.
I did this shit.
Or is everybody gonna help themselves then?
No,
We can do that. Everyone can get in there, unless I'll
Nah.
I'll share it.
no. Kendra's gonna share it.
Can you
You know what I'm saying? So you cook. You know what I'm saying?
Alright.
Yeah. Right there, it's a juice on you. You do it in that fridge. Something on me, you tell her. Let me see chicken which one I think?
No, pepper medium.
Just to grab the.
Why not? I'm gonna taste pepper.
Eat the damn shit, bro.
Oh, we can use that for the.
Now we're waiting though. We're
This
waiting.
shit
You know what I'm
about to be
saying?
fire.
We wanna. You know what I'm saying? One time.
Them
Oh,
hungry enough.
fire.
You know what I'm saying? One time.
Chef, got
Yeah.
a bird.
This mine. Yeah.
You know what I mean? So right now we're just waiting on these niggas to.
After we finish the dinner, what about some sinners? You know what I'm saying? Dinner, sinners. You know what I mean?
Hey! Shut up!
I mean, teach them, you know. So if you guys want to learn how to cook, come to my class. All right.
Yo,
Please contact me
The biggest capper.
at a further notice. I'll give you guys a number. Come money ready,
money ready.
and I'll teach y'all. You know what I mean?
What could I possibly go with?
Like 1,000. Like 1,000. You feel me? Mm-hmm. But we active, man.
So that's it.
So yeah, guys, that's the final product. You know,
I'm good, bro.
everyone getting their food in right now.
They're actual like 2 wings. I thought they were just the
The
like
drums-
one
yeah.
side.
So
Wait,
everybody
it's gonna be a lot.
getting their food. You know what I'm
I'm
saying?
like really hungry though.
So yeah, we're here, man. Gotta catch a vibe, eat some food, watch a movie after. You feel me? So yeah, man, it's just vibes, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. Get you on a nigga in a minute. You know what I'm saying? Mine's not
Yo,
done. Get you on a nigga in a minute. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Hey.
Yes, sir.
Oh my gosh.
Hey.
Yeah, I'm gonna dig it in.
Hey. Hey. No. Oh,
Wait.
I mean, Grace not religious, but I mean, we want us to pray though.
I will.
Okay.
I don't
Gotta
remember.
put God first before anything else. All right. Who's praying?
Oh, I thought you were going.
I'll pray.
My
I'll
family
pray.
does grace.
You know what I'm saying? I'm not the best at prayer, but you know what I'm saying. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for another day, dear. Yeah. Man, that food was busting. I'm not gonna lie. That food was like I give it like a 9.5 out of 10. You know what I'm saying? But my mama cooked better than that, for real, for real. You know what I'm saying? But I watch a movie right now. Ken drinking some Taylor port. That's our favorite wine. You know what I'm saying? I knew that from 2020. You know what I mean? Lady's drinking some Stutter Home. That's why you're drinking, right, lady? What's it called?
Buttermilk, white. No, it's a pink Scotch.
Okay.
Fire.
Where's the blood, man?
Oh wait, no, you were gonna put it in.
They're telling me to shut it down. Shut it down in my heart. But man, yo, it's the end of the vlog for today. You know what I'm saying? I'll get y'all niggas tomorrow, man. Hey, you already know who it is, man. The motherfucking GOAT, one and only. Ainsley motherfucking Birch, alright? See y'all niggas tomorrow, man. I love y'all niggas, man.